I'm Philippe Simard, President of SimActive, and we're happy to be here at INTERGEO to feature our new version 8.3 of our Correlator 3D photogrammetry software. That new version was designed to support multi-band, multispectral imagery. More and more drones and aircrafts collect multispectral data such as infrared and hyperspectral imagery, and what we're able to do is to merge and register the bands together to produce a seamless orthomosaics. So the software can ingest those multibands and produce products such as DSMs, DTMs, and as I mentioned, orthomosaics. Such data is used in application like agriculture, where NDVI maps can be shown. You can find more information on our software on our website. We offer a free trial of that new version 8.3, so you can perform tests and evaluate the software.